Hey everyone! Today, we're gonna be riding the Curse of the Mummy roller coaster at Universal Studios Roblox. So let's go!
I have succeeded in luring you away from your little group of archaeologists. Now you shall surrender your life and beg for mercy. Serve me and bask in riches beyond compare. Or refuse and face tremendous despair. Your hasteful attempts to escape my clutches has proven fruitless. Lie destined to the power of the curse, but your death shall bring me light compelled. Destined to the power of the curse, but your death shall bring me compelled. Lie destined to the power of the curse. Embrace your demise, embrace your demise, embrace your demise. Your souls are mine! I pity you. You shall perish. What? This can't be. No!
Alright guys, that does it for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!